BIT's online barrier tool takes users through our newly designed barrier cards and helps the user apply them to their business needs. The cards were designed using the COM-B model, which is a behaviour change framework used to identify barriers to behaviour. On the first page of the site, you're introduced to the tool, the COM-B model, and are taken through a working example of how the barrier cards have been applied to a real-world situation. Then you identify a problem you would like to explore with the tool, set a high-level goal, and identify the behaviour you would like to change. The site then takes you through the first of 3 card categories. The first of these are the capabilities cards. These refer to a person's physical or psychological ability to perform the behaviour. If you hover over the card flips over, and you're able to see more examples of this barrier on the back of the card. You can select which cards apply to your project situation, and you'll be able to review these again later. Then you go through the opportunity cards. These refer to anything in a physical or social environment that may encourage or discourage a behaviour. And finally, you review the motivations cards. These refer to internal, reflective and automatic mechanisms that activate or inhibit a behaviour. The final page on the site is a summary page, and this feeds back all the information you've inputted into the site and the card selections you've made. You enter your name, email, job title, organisation, and click Submit. Having submitted your information, you're sent an email of this page where you can access an online report. BIT are also sent a copy of this, so we can follow up with you. It's also possible for you to repeat the activity if you would like to explore another problem.